Yo, YouTube, baby, it's your motherfucking boy, Coyote, and we back at it with another banger, man. You already know how this goes. As you guys see, we back in Cali. I don't think I uploaded a video since we've been back in Cali from Texas 2K. If you guys haven't checked those videos out, make sure y'all go ahead, click the link. I'm gonna leave one right here, and then the rest will be in the description. Or you can search it up, whatever you feel best doing. But as you guys see in the title, we finna give Pops a ride in a 5.0, man. He went on a ride in a Charger a couple years ago. He was going nuts. So, you know, that was just a little 460 horsepower little thing, you know. This is a big boy. If you guys haven't seen the channel yet, or if you guys haven't been updated with the new setup, just a little twin turbo 5.0. Nothing too crazy, you know. Now, I did talk a lot of shit about people who cut their bumpers like this, but on a boosty car, you can see the intercooler is kind of crazy. Besides that, got the 15s in the front, 17s in the rear, got the broke nigga VMS's. Don't y'all worry, because we're going to upgrade all this soon. We've been trying to get this car back and running. The car was down for 2 years previously. Then we got the Z01. We start modding the Z01. Z01 is both tones right now. We haven't discussed the mods on that car yet. I'm not going to go too much into it today. But we're going to go pump some gas, pick Pops up, and get this video started, man. Let's hope this motherfucker go viral, though. All right, y'all. We made it up here to the E station. Let's go ahead and turn this shit down before you get copyrighted. But y'all see both of the whips right there, man. Ain't got to say too much, you know. What y'all think, man? $299 for the E. I know y'all get it a lot cheaper everywhere else, but this E pump's pretty good. It gets around 84, 83 every time we pump, so. But this shit cheap. We don't need too much in here. We already have it. Down right now. I'm still pretty fast. Oh, yeah.
Woo, my God. Jesus. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Jesus.
on it so we don't spin or nothing.
Oh my god, it can spin?
Yeah.
God damn.
Not spin like that, like the tires spin. So like it lose control. So I like ease onto it. I just got the freeway just to make sure it ain't hot.
Damn.
No police.
What the fuck? This shit don't even feel shit real. Fuck.
So now that I did that, I just go here, stop log.
What information did you get out of that?
It sends them like data of the car. You probably don't know what it feel like, but I can feel it like it sputtered a little bit at the top.
Oh,
So that slowed me down.
damn. So it didn't reach its max?
Huh?
It didn't reach its max?
Not full, no.
Damn, what the hell? That seemed like you went
That's
over.
what's wrong with my car. So I haven't turned it up like this. But I need to send them a log so like they can see what's going on and they can fix it.
How fast we was going?
We did 140.
140? Damn, how long did it take to get there from where we was?
And that was me easing onto it.
Wow.
Jason's car felt a little crazier. He got a Corvette though, so it felt like he just planning the whole time. Like he really don't spin his tires.
Damn. So it felt different when you rolling like that? Like,
Yeah, his car just feel like it just go straight. Like he just want to go straight.
damn.
My car actually, like if I was to say it, like just hit it, like if I was racing, like you're gonna go.
Oh, that's the part that was scared of the shit out of you?
Yeah.
Damn.
But I just let off the gas and we good.
Oh, man.
You got dumbass niggas who was gonna stay in and while it's doing that because they trying to win. Ain't never that serious.
Oh, man. So,
Wow.
yeah. Fuck, man. This.
So like when I'm racing, I usually have like a button to hit. It's like a nitrous button, but it's for my turbo, so it's just like it build up. Cause like Jason car, he hit it, and it's just like full power as soon as he hit it. My car got to build power up and then go. So for me to compensate for it building up, I gotta do something about brake boost. So I gotta like hit the gas. I gotta hit the brake, and then hit the gas, and then like build boost up. So I get like instant boost. So this is brake boosting.
Like that, son. Oh, shit.
So that's a spin.
God, dang, fuck. Damn. That shit's spooky. That shit's spooky, son. Fuck, that shit is spooky as fuck.
That's what I mean when I say the car spin. I mean the tire spinning.
Damn.
There's too much power to the ground for the tires.
Fuck.
I'll feel the passenger seat when it's spinning.
Shit is scary. This shit puts you in shock. This shit. Damn. Y'all don't never some type of like, oh, this shit too fast. I give up on this shit.
Nah,
Oh, fuck. Damn. Shit.
I'll turn it back down. What'd you say?
I said that car don't scare me. Shit.
Yeah, 5,000 likes, man. We gonna get Granny Loke up in the fire. It's gonna go crazy.